Hi, I'm Vipin Sharma. You're watching me on India Glitz. Keep watching. Thank you. Yeah, John Day is a sitting on the edge thriller. It'll really bring you to the edge of the seat, and it's a wonderful film. I play a character who's a cop. It's a very interesting character of a cop who became a cop because of Amitabh Bachchan's Zanjeer, and because he got inspired by the honest cop of Zanjeer, and he becomes a cop. But unfortunately, things are not as good as probably were in the beginning for him, and then slowly got so corrupted that even he doesn't know as he got corrupted actually. So it's a very interesting character. It's probably after Tare Zameen Pe is one of my best characters that I got to play. I don't think we go into that kind of detail, but he's part of the whole corruption that is kind of in the film. The story. He's part of the gang. He's part of the machinery which works against values and things like that. Yeah, when I came to Bombay about 6 years ago, I had a list of people that I really wanted to work with. And I don't do many films because I'm not interested in doing each and every film. I'm only interested in doing films which make some sense, which gives something back to our society and to our audience. So I have a list of people, and Anjum Rizvi sir was one of the most wonderful producers that I wanted to work with. So I was in touch with him for many years. And we kept meeting, I kept sending him messages, and finally when this came, I didn't think about anything else. In the beginning I did think it's a small role, but I let my intuition take over my perception, and also I said no, I have to work with Anjum sir, so I just said yes. And now it's not a small role anymore, it's one of the most amazing characters in the film. Naseer bhai I know from a very long time. I'm also from NSD. I did Naseer and I worked on a film called Mirch Masala long ago. I was a production assistant on that film. Then I did a film Hero Hiralal, in which I was one of the ADs on the film. And Naseer bhai and I had shared so many stories back then. I'm very close to him actually in a way, and he's a great friend and also someone I look up to. So we know each other quite well actually. I don't have much scenes with him. I had a couple of scenes with him, but they were very good and I thoroughly enjoyed working with him. With Naseer bhai, you're always little on the edge because you have to be really prepared and you can't make a mistake because he's so thorough in his work. So it's wonderful to be working with someone who keeps you on your toes all the time. So it's fantastic actually. Great. Randeep and I have done now 2 films together. Rang Rasya is another film. So Randeep and I also now have certain kind of chemistry between us. Also, there is a certain kind of bond between us as friends. We really like each other a lot. So we have that kind of closeness with each other that it always helps in the film. That relationship it always shows in the film. Even if it's not written, there's this unwritten thing that always shows. He's not totally new. He's been around. He's worked with other filmmakers before. One of the best things about him is he's one of those directors who don't say much to the actors, and the actors knows what he is aiming at. Sometimes silence works like magic, and he's very mature. He doesn't seem like, I never felt he was making his first film, never. I always felt he's a pro, and he is. He's made a wonderful film. It's one of the best thrillers I have seen in a very long time actually. First of all, I don't think it's a very stupid allegation. I don't believe in it. Also, this world now, there's nothing original. There are always similarities of, if maybe there's one camera angle same in some film that you've seen. कई बार गानों में एक सुर लगता है, आप सोचते हो कि यार ये गाना तो उसका कॉपी है, but maybe the rhythm, the scale is, everybody is using the same scale. On that level there might be some similarity in one shot or something. The other thing is that the promo has come, the film has not been released, nobody has seen it. So to say something that stupid, I don't understand it. It doesn't make any sense to me actually. Bullet Raja, that's my next film, and again Tigmanshu and I are friends from National School of Drama, so I am always in his films. So that'll be the next film. Yeah, I do think about kind of making a film, directing a film, writing my own script, because I do have certain things that I really want to kind of bring on to screen, but it won't be something sensitive. It will be very funny actually.